Viewers, writing and speaking English is an important skill required at every job. Does not matter you are a university student, a university lecturer, professor, or a businessman or a professional, you need better English to perform your duties. Keeping in view this importance of English, I have recorded a complete course on better English writing and speaking, which will be uploaded on my YouTube channel Muhammad Farooq Buzdar. We have total 46 lessons. Every day one video will be uploaded on the channel. I would like to share with you the course outline so that you understand the content of the course in better way. I request you to share this course with as many people as possible. So, brief course plan I wanted to explain. In the first video lesson, we will talk about good writing, a skill you can master. In second video, we will talk about secrets of good writing. In third video lesson, we will talk about mastering the personal correspondence. In fourth video, we will talk about formatting of messages and emails. In fifth video lesson, we will talk about writing for information. In sixth lecture, we will talk about how to write the complaints and get the results. I will share my experience of working in China Mobile as manager of customer experience. I was handling the complaints for all the departments. In seventh lesson, we will talk about writing to the newspapers and TV shows. In eighth lesson, we will talk about applying for admission in universities. In ninth lesson, I will talk about writing for a job or a career. In 10th lesson, I will talk about writing book reports. I will talk about 6 steps of precise writing and then how to shorten the precise written content. In 11th lesson, we will talk about writing project reports. This is very important for the students who have graduated and going for a job. The 12th lesson is for the written examinations. The 13th lesson talks about CV writing. This is very important. I was working as a manager in China Mobile as customer experience manager. I used to see many CVs. Our new graduates must listen this thing, understand this thing. 14th is about good writing is a good business. This is a mindset. If you have this mindset, you can get more sales, because I believe every email is a sales email. I will talk how you can write better emails. 15th video is about planning of business writing. 16th is about case study writing. I will explain how I used case studies in China Mobile, in Telenar groups, and how you can make the case studies. In 17th lesson, we will talk about writing sales emails. In 18th lesson, we will talk about writing sales presentations. In sales presentation, you need the argumentation. I will talk about that how you can ask for better commissions. I will give my examples that how for pricing of the products, there used to be a fight between different departments, and how good argumentations can help you in the presentations. In 19th, we will talk about saying no with respect. In 20th lesson, we will talk about power of words. I will talk about how you can improve your vocabulary. Vocabulary is not about using complex words. I will talk about that how you can use the words which will help you in becoming persuasive. In 21st lesson, we will talk about keys to clarity. In 22nd lesson, we will talk about good grammar in a nutshell. 23rd lesson is about the punctuation pointers. 24th is about becoming a good speller. 25th is about rules of spelling. 26th is about read what you write. So these 26 lessons were about the writing. Now we will cover the speaking part. 27th lesson is about 10 conversation problems and their solutions. 28th is about how to handle online conversations. This is becoming important when you are working in COVID-19 case from home. 29th is about how to handle the interviews. 30th is about successful selling. 31st is about how to run a meeting. 32nd is about speak in front of a group. 33rd is about beat stage fright. 34th is about how to pick your subject. 35th is about how to start with list of points. List of points is a better way to explain anything. So I will also explain that how you can use the arguments in the 36th lesson point wise, so that the audience does not lose the focus. 37th is about how to sell ideas. 38th is about how to use visuals to prove your point. 39th is about how to explain to prove your point. 40th is about how to explain data. 41st is about what makes a good speaker. 42nd is about good speaker message writing. 43rd is about speech blemishes you must be aware of. 44th is about your child talks like you. I have talked that use better words at home, use better words in writing so that your kids also get disciplined in using better words. 45th is about secrets of good conversation. In the end, I want you to become a good host, as now you can write better, so I want you to be a successful host. So now what you are waiting for? Please share this video with as many people as possible. Send it to your class fellows, to your teachers. If you are a teacher, send it to your students. If you are a professional, send it to your colleagues. Let's have many people on our YouTube channel, Mohammad Farooq Buzdar. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. Please share it with your friends on all social media channels. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay safe.